1 gigabyte of RAM used to cost $2.80. Today, it costs $12. That single number is the reason your next phone is about to get more expensive. And Google just confirmed it, 3 weeks before the Pixel 11 even exists. For years, Google absorbed rising costs so you wouldn't have to. But in a new interview, the company's vice president of devices and services, Shakil Barkat, admitted that Shield is gone. His reasoning barely mentions the phone itself. So what actually changed? And why does the answer come down to a memory chip the size of a fingernail? The culprit isn't a sharper camera or a bigger screen. It's memory. The same AI boom powering chatbots and data centers is quietly draining the world's supply of RAM. Every gigabyte poured into a server rack is a gigabyte that doesn't make it into your pocket. Barkat put it bluntly, there has never been a memory price increase like the one the industry is living through right now. And here's the irony. Google's own Gemini AI is part of what's driving that demand. Because of this, Google says price adjustments will roll out dynamically, based on real supply. That means it's not just unreleased phones. Devices already sitting on store shelves, including the Pixel 10a, could get more expensive too. If you've been waiting for a discount, waiting might now cost you. As for the Pixel 11 itself, official pricing won't drop until Google's hardware event on August 12th. But leaked retailer listings already paint the picture. The standard Pixel 11, rumored at $899. The Pixel 11 Pro, at $1,099. The Pro XL, climbing to $1,299. The Pro Fold, reportedly reaching $1,899. Every single number, $100 higher than last year. But here's where it gets interesting. To soften the blow, Google is reportedly doubling base storage to 256 gigabytes. Generous, except there's a catch nobody expected. The Pixel 11 Pro is rumored to drop from 16 gigabytes of RAM down to 12. On a phone built entirely around on-device AI, that sounds backwards. And Google isn't alone in this. Apple has already raised prices on hardware for the exact same reason. This isn't a Google problem. It's an industry-wide memory crisis, and every phone maker is quietly passing the cost on to you. So how does Google plan to make less RAM feel like more? Barkat says engineers are running a dedicated effort to rebuild how Android manages memory, squeezing the same smooth performance out of fewer gigabytes. And to keep buyers from walking away, Google is doubling down on trade-in credit, launch promotions, and bundled Google One perks. Translation: the price is going up, but Google is betting software can make that number easier to swallow. Flagship phones have crept up in price for years, a little at a time. This time, Google said the quiet part out loud, and pointed the blame somewhere nobody expected. The very AI it's been racing to build. Which raises the real question. If your next phone is subsidizing the AI industry's growth, is it still your phone? Or are you just renting the leftovers? We'll know the real numbers on August 12th, and if one more leak drops before then, I'll have it here first. Subscribe so you don't miss it, and tell me in the comments, would you still buy the Pixel 11 at $900? See you in the next one.